Yeah, so anong napansin mo nung nagdi-drip ka?
Mas okay yung aking pagtulog, nakakatulog ako ng maayos. Tapos sa dati doc, parang constipated ako. Tapos yung pangangati ko, na-less talaga ng malaki. Gumanda na rin yung skin ko noon. Nakaka-attend na rin ako niya, kinuha ko nina.
Sleeveless ka!
na ako.
Wow! Tapos yung weight mo, nag-lose ka.
Ng 5 kilos.
Wow! Yeah, because this drip natin, which is no preservative yan, freshly prepared, it's 100% absorbed. And all the biochemical processes in the body need vitamins. Ngayon, if you have gut inflammation, or magayong gut, hindi ka nag-absorb ng mga tamang nutrients that are needed for all these biochemical processes in the gut. So, nagdi-dysfunction yung detoxification, yung immune system, yung hormones, lahat yan, yung digestion, na-affect. When you do a drip, it's 100% absorbed, natutulungan niya agad umandar ng maayos yun. So, mas nakakabuelo ka. The drip is very important while we are actually restoring your good bacteria. Tinatawag namin restorative dermatology, wherein we combine the practice of functional dermatology and conventional. Sige po, enjoy lang kayo dyan. Tapos we'll write everything.